money. Routine tasks, but human foresight remains essential. Humans must continuously learn, adapt, and innovate to survive in this world. AI in personal finance. AI will manage investments, predict market crashes, and optimize spending. AI in governance, smart cities, autonomous public services, AI-assisted decision-making. AI in education, personalized learning AI tutors, AI-assisted creativity in art and music. AI in global business. Entire industries may be run by autonomous AI systems. Humans who understand AI will thrive. Humans who ignore it risk being left behind.